The Ailing Planet Green Woman's Role by Nani Pakiwala. The article The Ailing Planet, the Green Woman's Role was written by Nani Pakiwala and published in the Indian Express on 24th November 1994. The Green Movement, a term that includes the conservation and green politics, is a diverse scientific, social, and political movement for addressing environmental issues. Environmentalists advocate that the sustainable management of the resources and the stewardship of the environment through the changes in public policy and individual behavior. In its recognition of humanity as a participant in the ecosystems, the movement is centered on ecology, health, and human rights. Now, the reasons behind it: mankind is now the number one cause of all the destruction happening on the earth. The man has made it ruckus. Man has made it unhealthy to live in. As well as trying to destroy each other on the battlefield, we are the cause of a series of other disasters, beginning with the industrial exploitation of the resources of the earth. The seas and the oceans are being poisoned by the chemical products, oils, industrial and human waste. This has resulted in a widespread ongoing extinction of other species during the present geological epoch, now known as the Holocene extinction. Consequences of it are that the large-scale loss of species caused by the human influence since the 1950s has been called a biotic crisis, with an estimated 10% of the total species lost as of 2007. Earth's present condition is that it is in a damaged state and under threat from the dangers, including those arising from the global warming. These threats include greenhouse gases, droughts and floods, hunger and famine, and devastating diseases such as malaria and AIDS. Some expert scientists are calling for carbon taxes to cut the risks. If we look into the future of Earth, as the world consumes ever more fossil fuel energy, greenhouse gas concentrations will continue to rise and Earth's average temperature will rise with them. Latitudes and generally wet places will tend to receive more rainfall, while tropical regions and generally dry places will probably receive less rain. Ultimately, global warming will impact life on the earth in many ways, but the extent of the change is up to us. The form of bigger, wetter storms rather than in the form of more rainy days. What are the measures that should be taken to save our planet Earth? Buying and using fluorescent light bulbs, turning off lights and other electronic equipment when we leave a room. Waste food material, paper, decaying vegetables and plastic should not be thrown into the open drains. The future of humanity will depend on how we steward the resources of land, of soil, of water and seeds and pass them on to the future generations. This was saying of Vandana Shiva. I hope you like my explanation, so do like, share, subscribe my channel.